and welcome to our presentation. Today we will show you our web application that is linked to a cloud database. In this case is Google Cloud SQL. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the instance we have created called Mall Retail Agency, which has the IP as follows. If you take a look at the databases it has, you see that there are the usual SQL database and our own database, Mall Retail Agency. So let's launch the Php Myadmin so that we can see the database that is actually inside this Cloud SQL. So go into Php Myadmin. So we're going to be launching this folder right here, and if we take a look at the configuration file, you can see that its host is the instance of our project, Mall Retail Agency, right here, and it has the same instance connection name. So we use Php Myadmin to view the database because in the Cloud SQL website we can't actually go into the database to see what's inside. So let's wait for it to finish launching. Okay, so now it's finished, and so let's go into the website. So this is the database, our database. There's a bunch of procedures and a bunch of tables, but we're going to be focusing on only 3 tables. The client contracts that has the details of all the clients that have proposed a contract. The employee table shows all the details of the employees, their username, password, name, and the retail and location. Which we're going to edit the retail descriptions from the website. So let me focus on these 3. Okay, so let's go into the website. So we're going to go into the folder called Retail Agency and deploy. So this is the folder right here. Now while waiting for it to deploy, let's take a look at some of the coding. So in the connect.php we can see that it connects to the Cloud SQL database. This IP, same as this IP right here. And in the, let's say, the agency page, we can see that it calls queries from the database here. Okay, so the website is finished deploying. Let's go into the website. So this is the home page. So before we propose a contract as a client, let's take a look at the staff page first. So we're going to log in as the admin. You can see all the contracts, all the retail spaces, the client list, and the employee list. We're going to focus on these later. So now we can see that the latest contract is John. So we're going to propose another contract. Okay, let's say we want to rent this space right here. So it's MG15. say the name, it can be whatever. So we're going to type really fast so that you can see that it's not pre-made or something. Say, and the mail, whatever. And for frequency once. Let's say we want to rent it for a month, say to 30th of May. So this is the base price. We can add to the price or deduct from the price. So we're not going to add anything. Okay, so if we take a look at the staff page now, we can see that a new contract has been proposed. Okay, so now for the retail list, we're going to add a description to, let's say, MG7. We're going to say that it's on sale for 99% off. That's a great price. It's not actually on sale though, just as a description. See, it's 99% off. And we're going to now edit the client list. Let's say there's a typo. Let's say we want to change the name of the client. You can change it to something like something basic. Max. Oh no, John. Oh, John is already taken. Jane. Right. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. So now the name will be changed to Jane. And now for the employees, let's say you want to edit a name of an employee. So maybe Steve Rogers. Maybe he doesn't have an S, so we're going to erase that. Update. So sorry about this. I forgot to turn off notifications. Okay, so if you take a look now, Steve Rogers will not have an S. Okay. So now let's take a look back at the database again. So deploy a database. We're going to close this. Deploy the Php Myadmin website so we can view the database and see how it has changed. Let's wait for it to deploy. Okay, so it's now finished. If we take a look at the database now, we can see that some of it has changed according to our input. So if we take a look at the client contract table now, you see that there's a new contract from Jane. The name we have changed, and the employee Steve Rogers doesn't have an S. And for the retail locations, you can see that the MG7 is 99% off. So the website has a direct effect on the database. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.